So, Hayleigh had a Waxadient. She spilled all her wax from her Scentsy warmer on the floor. And I've cleaned most of it up with my hairdryer and some paper towels. What you do for a Waxadient, and call it a wax accident, you, there's two ways. You can use a hairdryer and some paper towels, or you can use an iron. However, I don't have an iron, so I was just using some paper towels and a hairdryer. And I got one more little spot that I really want to get into. I usually put it on high, but it's really hard to get into it with your hand. So, because you have to press the button on it, and it gets really hot. So what I'll do is I'll put it on low, and then I can actually press into it and get it hot. So, I'm multitasking here. So it's coming up a little bit more. We gotta put heat right directly on it, and what happens is the wax turns into like an oil liquid from the heat and comes directly onto the paper towel. Now this is a very longer process rather than the irons, or like I said, I don't have one, so I'm using a hairdryer. So hopefully this helps with some waxings that you may have on the carpet to help save your carpet.